everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun new review and packing video for you guys featuring the brand new JuJuBe Forever backpack from their Ever collection. I have the Forever backpack here in the beautiful color Stone, which is a very light gray. It is super pretty and I love it. It comes with silver hardware, a light gray zipper. It's just super pretty. This bag is also coming in Brulee, which is a camel color, as well as Noir, which is black. And this collection's actually coming out in a tote and a weekender as well. This collection is releasing tomorrow, the 20th of June, and I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me, and I will leave my affiliate link in the description below for you guys. So in this portion of the video, I'm going to be doing a review and packing video for the Forever backpack, and I hope you guys enjoyed that first part of the video where I showed you the Forever backpack on the body, and I hope you guys were able to get a good look at the color too. I filmed that part of the video in natural light so you guys could see it at its best. Now I have this bag packed up for a vacation that I am going on next week. So I have it packed for all three of my boys. I have a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 13-month-old. For this trip, I'm going to be driving all the way from Tennessee to Ohio, so I need to have things in my bag that are going to keep my boys busy. So what I have in here is just everything I could think of that would help keep my boys busy, as well as just everything I would need to have very quick access to if I needed to pass the baby something, or if I needed to go change a diaper at a gas station, things like that. And also my boys will have their own bags in the car as well with like their iPods, their Nintendo DS, things like that. So I don't have absolutely everything in this bag that I'm going to need because they will be carrying some of their own things. But if I go to a restaurant, I'm going to want to have a few things in my bag just to keep them busy. So that is what I basically have in here, and I'm really excited to talk to you guys about this bag because it has a ton of great features. The quality on this fabric is amazing. If you guys aren't aware, this is not 100% leather. This is a vegan leather, so it is waterproof. You can easily wipe this bag off. This is not machine washable, but you can definitely wipe it off. Anything that gets on there should come off really easily. But so far, honestly, I really like it. It is super comfortable to wear. I have this thing packed to the brim. It is like super packed. I even have my laptop in here and still really comfortable. So I think they did a great job on the straps. So let's go ahead and just look around on the outside of the bag first, and I will definitely give you guys some close-up shots so you can see the details and things like that as I'm unpacking. On the very front of the bag here, you have a double zipper, and it opens up in a U shape. And you can easily access everything on the top of the bag. I really like how they have that set up. So when you open it, it doesn't feel like you can really put as much in there as you think you can, but then when you remember that you have this front flap here, you can actually pile up quite a bit more. So you will see that when I show you guys how I have this packed up. On the very top here, you have a long zippered opening. This is your tech pocket. This goes like all the way, almost all the way down in the front here. It's a good size pocket. You could definitely fit a large smartphone in here. This is your mommy pocket. It consists of one key clip, and that is it. Everything else is just empty space, but I actually really like that. It's great for small set pieces and things like that. On the sides here, you have magnetic snap closure pockets. I have tested these out. You can definitely fit skinnier bottles in here. You can even fit a couple of the wider bottles in here, but it really depends on how much you have packed in this bag. And you also have a D-ring on each side of the bag here. You can attach this bag easily to a stroller if you have stroller clips. And if you happen to have a sold separately messenger strap, if you feel like wearing this crossbody or over the shoulder, that is an option too. Now, something this bag is lacking that I think they probably should have added on, because I know a lot of us just tend to grab for a grab handle. But one thing also that's a little bit awesome about this bag, even if it doesn't have that, is as you can see on the back here, your straps are actually pretty wide. So even though it doesn't have the grab handle, if you pick this up from here, it is very well secured. If you guys can see that, they did a stitch here and they did a stitch here. And so that feels really secure to me. And besides that, these are really nicely padded. Like I said, these are really comfortable straps to wear. And also, once you get this bag on and you adjust it to yourself, it's actually pretty easy to adjust to. It's a very comfortable bag, guys. So I do love the straps that come with this bag. On the back of the bag here, you have a zipper that goes all the way down, and this has your change pad in it, as I showed you guys in my unboxing. If you want to check that out, I will link it right over here for you. But in here you have a little bit of a floppier change pad, and as I showed you guys before in that other video, you have embossed lining on the fabric, which is really cool. But I do like this. It does still have the memory foam in it. It's still a very light feeling change pad, so it doesn't add any extra bulk to your bag or weight, so I really like that. And pretty much that is all you have on the outside of the bag. I really like that they kept it pretty simple on the outside. Some other really great details that they put on this bag is this beautiful new logo. This is in a brushed silver, brushed nickel kind of look, and it is the metal script JuJuBe. I think that is so pretty. I love it. And another great little detail is that they put JuJuBe on the zippers. And by the way, guys, these zippers feel really high quality. And also this backpack has metal feet, which is, to me, really important if you're going to have a leather or vegan leather type of bag. So let me show you guys that real quick. So this is what the bottom of the Forever backpack looks like. As you guys can see, you have 4 feet on the bottom of the bag. It's just enough to keep your bag off the ground and keep the bottom of your bag looking beautiful. And then also on there, on the feet, it's so cute. I showed you guys this in my Instagram stories, but the bottom says, "Love what you carry." And I love that detail. It's so cute. So that is what the bottom of the bag looks like. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I have inside the pocket. So let's go through the mommy pocket. This is the very front pocket of the bag. And in here I just have my keys sitting on top, and they are attached to the key leash in there. Also, I used my small set piece strap from my Whimsical Watercolor Beast set, and I use that as my little wristlet for my keys. Love that. Also in here I have a small set piece in Whimsical Watercolor, and in here I'm actually using this as my wallet. So I have my Be Charged in here. And that's what I like to use when I go on trips, because it's so lightweight and small that I can just take it and grab it and go whenever I need to. I also have a chapstick in here and a little mirror. Next to that, I have my sunglasses in a little soft case. I do have the Be Shady, which I absolutely love, and I keep that in my car. I felt like that might be a little too big for this front pocket here, so I wanted to use my little travel sleeve. That is all that I had in this pocket. This is what it looks like on the inside of your pocket there. There's not really much going on. Like I said, you just have the key leash and the rest is open space. So that is the mommy pocket. Next, I want to go through those side pockets. Now, I actually really like these side pockets because they are a magnetic closure, so extra quiet. Even if you do this, that's like super quiet. So you won't wake up your baby. You don't have to figure out how to line up the pocket so that it's a magnetic snap closure or something. It just automatically clicks right back to where it needs to go. So I love that. In this pocket here, I just have another small set piece. Now, when I travel with my boys, I always make sure that I have a small set piece with a first aid kit in it. My boys are very prone to having accidents when we're out and about. So in here, I just have a few necessities. I have Band-Aids. I have a little case with some Claritin and Tylenol and Advil and things like that. Band-Aids, ointment, even nail clippers, and extra lip balm and things like that are in here just in case. Over here I actually have my phone because as much as I love this top pocket, if I'm driving and I'm going a very long distance or whatever, I want to have easy access to my phone, and so when I'm driving I actually have my bag facing this way towards the car window, and so I want to be able to have super easy access to my phone through this way. So I would just lift here, grab my phone if I need to. A lot of times I'm actually using my phone for navigation though. So I have my iPhone 8 Plus down in this pocket and it fit great. So I don't actually have anything in this top pocket as I mentioned, and I've already gone through the back zippered compartment over here. So I'm going to go ahead and jump onto the inside part of this packing video. And I'm excited to show you guys how much this thing can hold. As I mentioned on the top flap here, you guys have this nice generously sized pocket for your phone or your camera or whatever. My whole hand is in there right now, so it's a really great size pocket. I have absolutely no trouble fitting my iPhone 8 Plus in here. So let's go ahead and open up this bag. There we go. Now, something I really like about this flap is that you don't have to just keep dealing with it flapping down like this. It can literally just flip back, even if you have a phone in the pocket. So now you guys can see how everything looks from the top. Now I actually have a whole fuel cell under there as well, so I just have stuff stacked on top right now, including this Sophie giraffe is just kind of plopped on top here because I was not able to fit her on any of the side pockets, just the way I packed this up. There's actually 4 pockets on the sides of this bag on the inside. You have 2 over here and 2 over here, and they are kind of shallow elastic pockets, but you can fit bottles in here easily. So if you don't have space on the side pockets, you can definitely fit your bottles on the inside of the bag. So that's what I have in here, and as I mentioned before in my last video, you guys can get these awesome straw cups by OXO in my Amazon shop. I love these. I don't ever have any trouble with them leaking. So find these in my Amazon store. I will link that down below for you. That's all I had on this side. On this other side here in this pocket, I just have a teether toy by Ruthie Kate. I will link her down below as well. It is absolutely beautiful and I love it, and so does my son. Super cute. So that's all that I had on the top area there. In the front here, I have a medium set piece in whimsical watercolor. In here, I just have a change of clothes for my son. So I have a pair of shorts, an extra bib, a pair of socks, and a little t-shirt for him. Behind that, I have everything I need for diapering my baby. So in here, I just have my large set piece in whimsical watercolor. And inside, I have a WIPOUCH 30 in the beautiful new Donutella print. It's super cute. I also have a baggie dispenser and 4 size 4 diapers in there. So I can just quickly grab this and go. That's why I put it on top, so it's not like I'm fishing around for whatever I need. And with that being mentioned, I love this bag packed with pouches, but I actually feel, to be honest, that this bag does not need pouches. Like maybe small set pieces, maybe medium set pieces, but I really feel like I want to do another video for this bag packed without pouches because it has amazing internal organization that I am not able to utilize because I am packing for a trip where I need pouches. But if I wasn't, I would be utilizing the pockets on the inside because I just love them. And you could literally just, you don't even need to be quick or anything for your diapering needs because it has pockets for that. But anyways, because I'm packing the way I am, I need to have the pouches. So I wanted to show you guys this. So that's all I had on the very top. Down here, I have a full-size Be Quick and I have a fuel cell. So if that tells you guys how much this bag can actually hold, it's a lot. So in this bag here, this is the Be Quick by JuJuBe in whimsical watercolor. If you guys can't tell, I'm obsessed with this print and I think it looks amazing with stones. So if you guys have this stuff, it's gonna look so pretty together. So in here, I just have a few things to keep my kids busy. I have 4 Hot Wheels cars down in here. So there's 2, and there's 2 more. My boys love playing with these, so 2 for each of them. I also have a little pack of crayons. I also have a play pack case. This is a custom made piece, so I love that. That's in Queen of the Nile print. I also have a little coloring book in here for one of my kids. And behind that, I have an actual like reading book. It's real skinny, but my oldest, who is 7, loves to read, so I thought I'd bring him a little book to read. So that's all that I had in my Be Quick. But this is perfect for holding things that'll keep your kids busy while you're driving. So now that I'm coming down to the end of what I have in this bag, I just wanted to show you guys the internal organization. I do have my full-size fuel cell in here, packed to the brim, guys, with snacks and drinks and all kinds of things. And I will show you guys that in just a minute, but I do want to show you how this bag looks without that. So as you can see, you have a pocket up here and a pocket over here. This can easily fit a baby bottle, so I'm going to show you guys that real quick. As you can see, it fits great. In fact, you can even double stack. So I think that is really awesome. It doesn't pull or drag on the bag at all. I think that's really great. So those fit in there. You can also fit a swell bottle. So I have my little 9-ounce swell bottle down in there. You could definitely fit something bigger too because you do have a little extra space. So I think even a 17-ounce swell could fit down there. And so you have identical pockets on this side as well. Right here you have 2 smaller pockets. These are perfect for diapers and wipes. I love that. And then on the inside front part here you have a medium-sized elastic pocket, which I just love. It's great. But in here I just have a little WIPOUCH mini in the new Donutella print. And I'm going to link my blog right here so you guys can see this print up close and personal. It is so cute. I don't know how well it's showing up in this video, but I love this print. It is so cute. That's all that I have on the inside compartment. You guys might notice I actually do have my laptop in here as well. So this is a MacBook Air. I'm pretty sure this is the 13-inch size, and it fits really great in here. I have absolutely no trouble putting it in or pulling it out. If you guys want to check out XOLivi's video for the comparison video of this bag and a few of the other JuJuBe bags, I'm pretty sure she shows you a few different laptops inside the bag, if that helps you. But besides that, it's just a great video, so definitely go check it out. I will link her video down in the description below as well. But this is what the bag looks like on the inside without anything in it. This actual piece right here is very, very lightly padded, like maybe a skinny piece of foam is in here, but it's enough to protect whatever is in here from your laptop, if that's what you decide to put in here. Now this actual back part has a nice thick piece of foam to it, so if your bag falls over like this, or you know, something bumps into the back of your bag, it's not going to damage your laptop. So I really like that, and it's also very comfortable on your back. Besides that, on the very bottom of the bag, as I showed you guys before, this has the same amount of foam in it, so that is also padded on the bottom. So I think that's just great. I love that. So let's go ahead and go through my fuel cell, and you guys can see how much I was able to actually fit in there. But this is the Forever backpack, and I honestly love it, and I recommend it to you guys. If I could change anything about it, it would be that it has the grab handle, because to me that's kind of a must-have item on a backpack for me. You guys know I'm a huge backpack fan, and I feel like this bag needs one. Even though the backpack straps are strong and cushy and just amazing, I feel like it still could use, or I'm just used to it, I guess, is a grab handle. Also, I have a little trouble with the zippers sometimes on this front part here. It's not the smoothest, but I've found with other bags that are similar in texture and style, like real leather bags, I have the same issue as well. So I think it's just the type of fabric that they use is a little bit more difficult to zip close, but it's not enough to deter me from buying the bag. Anyways, I hope that's helpful for you guys. Let's move on to my fuel cell. Okay guys, so I promise we are coming down to the end of the video. In this part of the video, I'm just going to go through my fuel cell and show you what I had in there. So if you aren't able to fit your drinks into the sides of the inside of the bag or on the outside of the bag, this is an option for you. So I actually have 2 larger cups in here, and then a ton of snacks. So on the very top part of the fuel cell here, I have my JuJuBe beanie for the little guy. So if he gets messy, that's there for him. And I love having that little compartment there for that. Sometimes I even put in utensils and things up there. On the top here, I have some little Cheerios and an Inno Baby snack tower. I will link this down below for you guys as well. Next to that, I have a little Gerber baby yogurt. Down in the front here, I have a couple of granola bars for my older 2 boys. And then I have some Go-Go pouches. So 2 of those. Where's the other one? There it is. So 2 of those for them. Then I have one of those Plum Organic apple and broccoli pouches for my little guy. And for the baby, I have a little Earth's Best granola bar. And I have a couple of fruit snacks for my boys as well down there. Now the rest of the things that I have in here is pretty much just water. I will link this spoon below as well. This is by OXO. It's a little travel spoon. I love that. The only thing I have left in here are my newbie cup. This cup is amazing. I love it. I'm going to link this below for you guys as well, but it's one of my favorite cups for my 4-year-old. And then next to that, I have this cup here for my 7-year-old. So that's all that I have in there, but it was a lot of stuff, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're here if you're new. And I'd love to hear what's on your shopping list for this release. Definitely comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching!